class, to the computer class. Hope all is good at your end. Children, today we are going to continue with our previous topic with some new features. So let's begin our class.
Okay, Shamstars. So let's continue with our lesson 5, working with styles and objects. And this is the last part that we are doing today. Children, today we are going to learn about inserting pictures from your computer, inserting pictures online, and adding screenshot in a document. So let's understand these one by one. So I'm going to tell you first of all about how to insert pictures. So children, you know already about insert tab. So here we have insert tab. If I click here, so you will find an option here that is inserting pictures. So it is here. Now there are two ways you can insert your pictures. One is from this device, that means from the computer. If you have saved some pictures on your computer anywhere, you can get those pictures and place them in the document here. So let's understand this first of all, the pictures to insert from this device. So I'm clicking here this device. Okay, so now this has shown me all the options by which I can get my pictures. So right now I need to know where my pictures are. So I have placed few pictures on my desktop. So I'll go to the desktop, and in desktop there is a folder photos. I'm going to click on this photos. Okay, and in photos I have images folder. So I'm going to click on images. So there are few images that I have here. So I can pick up any image, or I can pick up all the images and insert them in my document. So for example, I want this picture. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to insert option. So you will find out this picture is inserted here. Now this picture is here. I have shown you already in my previous video even in AI session also I told you that we can decrease or increase the size of the picture. Fine, by using the corner handles. Now if you want one more picture, you can go again to insert. You can go to pictures. Now you can go to this device and you will find out again these pictures. You can pick up the picture you want. Supposing I want this picture. Now previously I showed you that I clicked on the picture and I used insert. Okay, and the picture was inserted. Now I can show you if I click here, double click on this picture, this will be inserted directly in the document, right? So you can again use the corner handles and you can just use this picture. You can make it small, you can make it big, the way you want. So one more thing I want to tell you, children, this moment, if you see, the moment of a picture is not possible. So what I can do is I'm going to right click on this picture and I'm going to use wrap text option. And in wrap text option we have one option, that is through option. If I click here, now I can just drag this picture wherever I want in my document. So this way you can insert as many as pictures in your document. So this is inserting a picture. And children, adding pictures to your document helps you to illustrate the information in a better way, and it also enhances the appearance of your document. And Word 2016 allows you to add pictures from your computer or from the web directly. That means from online. So I showed you just now how to get pictures, from your computer. Now we are going to learn about how to get pictures online. So again, I'm going to go back here, Insert tab. I'm going to go to Pictures, and here we have option Online Pictures. Now let me click Online Pictures. My net is already on. So you have Bing. Bing is a powerful search engine. So once you just open this, you just find out so many pictures you have here. And it's given here, do you want pictures based on airplane? You want based on animals? You want autumn, background, balloons, birthday cakes? Whichever you want to pick up. Supposing birds, I am picking up birds. Okay, it is going to show me types of birds. So see, there are so many birds we have. So I can use any bird that I want for my document. Supposing I want this or maybe this. So I'm going to go to again, double click on this, and you will find out this picture will be downloaded, one to one. See, this picture is inserted here. Now, you know that online, that means internet, we have so many pictures and you can get any one in your document. Same way, you can drag, the picture inside, outside to make it big. So this is how we can get pictures in our document by using our computer and using online. So children, next we are going to learn about adding screenshots. One screenshot I have already got it here, and I have got this screenshot from your book only. There is one practical that we have that is based on summer camp. All the steps are given because you have learned all the options by now, how to work in Microsoft Word, how to insert shapes, how to write, how to change the style. So you can use this summer camp and use all the options that you have, in your Microsoft Word to make it look beautiful. Now, how to add a screenshot? That's very important. So let me minimize this screen. Okay, so I'm going to let me show you children how to add screenshot in the Word document. For that, you need to keep that application program opened whose screenshot you want to add in a document. So one program I have already opened, that is this one, because I want to have the screenshot of this in my Word document. So I'm going to go and I'm going to use a blank document. Okay, so I'm going to go to Insert, and there is a screenshot, and I'm going to click on screenshot. Okay, okay, this is a screen clipping. Okay, it has opened this. I want the screenshot of this to be added in a Word document. Now what I have to do is, you will see this plus sign here. I can just use this as a clipping tool for my Word document. So I can just select this much of portion, and then I can add it in the Word document. You can see it is directly added in the Word document. Now you can again do the same thing. You can increase, you can decrease the way you want. So children, this is how you can add your screenshots in your Word document. So one, I told you already that I have added in a Word document. This is about a summer camp, and you have to do it practically in Word document. So you will open a Word document and you will try all these things that I have shown you already, how to get shapes, right? And you can have a same kind of a summer camp poster in your Word document. Okay, then we can see it during the AIS. So children, I hope this is understood to you, how to add pictures in a document from the computer online, and how to add screenshots directly in the Word document.
Thank you, Shemstars. That's all for today. Hope you understood the topic very well. If you have any doubts, you can drop your queries in the Google Classroom. Take care of yourself and God bless you all.